Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be another Excel tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate stuff and a couple of basic functions. So first, if you notice right here, I made a little table, Henry's Song Store. These are the title of the songs, the price, sold, income. So as you can see, this title and that title, they're running on to the next cell, and we don't want that. It's gonna look sloppy. So what we can do is, if you go up here, see that double arrow, we're gonna click it, drag it. Now we made this whole row of cells bigger, and these are staying inside their own cell. So I'm gonna put in some numbers, but I'm gonna teach you a couple cool tricks too. So if let's say I'll put 2. If I want to move to the cell to the right, press Tab. Okay, so. But here's the cool thing. After you press Tab, typically when you press Enter, what happens? You go straight down to the bottom right here, right? The one right below the current cell you're in. But when you press Enter after you've pressed Tab, you go back down to you go down to the next row, but you stay on the you go back to the same column. So I'm just gonna fill this out real quickly. So I filled this out, and income is going to be price times the quantity sold. But let's get familiar with this first. So this sign right here is division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now I want you to take this cell, not just 10, but this cell divided by this cell. So what we can do is press equals. Okay, so always start for equal. Press equal, then press this cell. See that? Now it's D2 divided by F2, enter. 1. Same with this. D3 times F3, enter. Same thing. Same thing with these two. So if we go back, income is price times sold. So how do we start? Equals. Always start with equals. It's not going to work unless you do. Price sold times enter. And then you can just take this, drag it down. There you go. See how handy Excel is? Doing all that would take like 15-20 seconds to do. I just did it in half a second. So total, we want to add all these together. What can we do? We can go up here, do auto sum, or we can actually manually do it. We can press equal sum. You see that? So this little table right here appears to show you what functions exist. So sum exists. It'll tell you add all the numbers in a range of cells. Open parenthesis, that's very important too. Highlight what you want. Enter. There we go. So same with this. Drag it across. There we go. What you can also do is, let's say you just want to explore what functions there are. Go up here. It says insert function is f of x. Press that. Here are all the categories, like mathematics and trig, statistical. So like sum would be in mathematics. Go down to S. There's sum. Statistical. I think it's never mind. Anyway, so if we click equals, max. There you go. Max returns the largest set. Blah blah. Open parenthesis. So what max does is it finds the biggest number in whatever you highlighted. So I'm just going to drag this across. Min is the same thing, but just the smallest number. And count. What count is it counts the cells that you highlighted with numerical value. So if I do equals count, open parenthesis, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And all these should be 5. So that may seem easy when you just count it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But let's say you have like 90, 80 stuff. This can be hard to count. So it's not going to work if you have a word in there. Watch. So count. So highlight all these. See, it's still just 5. So it just counts the cells with a numerical value in them. Okay. Oh, actually, I'm missing a whole row right here. I'm supposed to have an average. What can we do? Well, let's say I want this row to be clear, but I want to move all these down. What I can do is go right click, insert, and I got a brand new row right there. Really fast, really easy. Now, I'll just equals average open. So that drag it across. Oops, drag it across. There you go. Alright, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.